Hi all, today video is about develop a customized tooltip by using a new page in Power BI. Let's see how we can do that. I use a very simple data source today, so which has product, amount, max discount, and the company. So first we see how the default tooltip works. So I'll add a table here, and then I add all the columns, product, company, amount, and discount. All the values will add as a table. So then I need to go to general, and then I need to enable the tooltip. So there are certain options that you can see here. So I'll keep the default options here. So then as you see, so if I uh, hover around, so a default tooltip will be coming, right? So now we'll see how we can develop this as a customized tooltip. So to develop a customized tooltip, first we need to create a page. So this is we create the customized tooltip by using a new page, and then we need to add a card to that. So this is the card visual, and then we need to create a measure. So this measure we can customize as we want. So in this example, I'll try to what I'm trying to do is I'll multiply amount and multiply it by discount, and then I'll get a new price and I'll add it as a tooltip. So that's what I'm going to try this example. Right, so now I'm going to create the measure to add it to this card. So here I go and create a new measure. Right, so measure I said new tooltip. Okay, so now first I'll add a variable. I will say it as okay, variable A. So first I need to get a selected value. So when something is selected, right, I'll say, okay, product. When something product is selected, then I need to calculate or create a new tooltip. I'll say value bar B. So I need to get the new price. New price means, so first we need to get the discount amount of the value. So then discount amount of the product. So then selected value of amount multiplied by selected value of the discount, and then I need to minus it from the amount, main amount. So then I get the new value, right? So this is the new value. So then uh, I'll create another variable as C. So I need to output this. So this one I will first add a string new price, and then I need to concat variable B to this one. So to concat the string, so I can add at, and then I say B. Then I'll return this, return value C. Right, so our measurement is done now. Now I'll add this created new measurements to the tooltip. So as you see, it comes as a new tooltip. Right, so then I go to my page one, right? Now we need to do a very important step. So go to page 2 and go to general, and then in the page information we need to set this as allowed to use as tooltip option, right? So that is very important. And to add to that, so now I'll convert this page 2 as a tooltip page. So then here I come here and I converted already as a allow this page to use as a tooltip. And then if I come to canvas setting, so here we can show an option called tooltip. So I'll add it here, and then I'll add my new measure here. right? So, and then this one also I can reduce font a little lower. So let's say I'll set it to 20. Right, good. Right. Okay, now I'll come back to page one and select the visual here. And then here I go to general, and then in the tooltip, I need to change the page as page two, right? So, and save it. So let's see how our tooltip looks like. So as you see, the calculation has been happened and the new price will come as the tooltip. In this way, right, in a page, by using a new measure, you can do whatever modification to the tooltip that you want. So this way you can customize as you want your tooltip. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch with my videos.